Hello my fellow luxury living friends. It's been a while since I've been here, but I wanted to share with you something that I bought, and this is going to be a quick little unboxing. For those of you guys who are new here, my name is Pacey. I do luxury videos, shopping videos, styling videos, and just a little bit of beauty, and we're doing a little unboxing from Chanel. This is what I got when I was on my trip in St Tropez. So we'll just do a quick little one because I'm very excited about these for fall. So this is what the box looks like. It's pretty large. I'm just gonna probably just pull this ribbon off. Yeah, there we go. That's probably easier. It's a box, very large, heavy box. Comes with one of these little card things. And let's go ahead and undo this. Okay. Here we have one dust bag, and here's the second one, so you know it's a pair of shoes. This was sold out everywhere in the US. I had reached out to my SA. The weird thing was that this was priced at $11.50, I believe, in euros, 11.50 euros. And on the US site, I think it was like 10.50 or 1100, one of those. But so I was actually contemplating just getting them in the US, but I checked with my SA and they were all sold out everywhere. They're actually cute little rain boots. How adorable. They're made of this like rubber, I think it's like a rubber fabric or material. So it's seems waterproof, but of course the main part is the CC in the front. And the St Tropez store, which I'll go into a little bit of detail about in a second, but there was this little TV and they were playing the runway show on there, and these were worn so many times during the runway show. So I get a feel of how I could style these, and I think I can get really fun and creative with these. And honestly, I'll probably wear them whether it's raining or not raining. So more about the St Tropez store. I'm going to insert little clips of what it looks like, but it was so beautiful over there. The service was okay. It was like a really cool villa. There was a pool in the back. They didn't have too much inventory, but honestly people go there I think more for the vibe. Oh, I forgot to tell you what size they were. They are size 37. I actually initially wanted a size 36, but strangely enough, when we checked the bottom of the shoe, the size 36 was actually one side 35 and the other side was 36. So it was defective, which is very weird for Chanel. So we had told them at the cashier, and they were like, oh, we can't sell these at all because they're defective and they don't have any more 36. They don't even order 35s usually. So the next size up that I could get was 37. So I got them. They're a tiny big for me. But I think if I wear socks and pants and stuff like that, I think this will fit perfectly. I haven't worn these out yet, but I'll insert a couple of pictures over here of what they look like on the models. Once I do get a chance to wear them out, especially in the rain and snow, I'll let you guys know, and I'll maybe do a little updated video if you guys are interested. So let me know down in the comments below. And that is it, you guys. I'm just gonna keep this short and sweet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this, what you think of the price difference, that it's actually more expensive in euros. If you guys enjoyed this video, of course give it a thumbs up and give me a subscribe if you guys are not currently subscribed. Have a great one, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.